Well, the Apple iPhone 14 event is just around the corner. We are seeing multiple leaks and rumors for the Pro models of the devices. So today we have got another leak coming from a reliable leakster Minchico, who has shared that a new ultra-wide camera sensor is coming in the iPhone 14 Pro and the Pro Max. According to his leak, this new ultra-wide camera sensor can capture 1.4 micrometer pixel. This should result in more detailed shots and a better low-light performance. For reference, the current iPhone 13 Pro models are coming with 1.0 micrometer pixel with their ultra-wide camera. Although he did not mention any kind of an upgrade in the camera megapixels or the ultra-wide angles, that whether it's going to be improved or not, but only he has given the information about the pixel sizes. Now he also tells us that the CMOS imaging sensor will be joined by new wise coil motor and a new compact camera module. In simple words, the CMOS sensor is basically a computer chip which sends light focus on its surface like electronic film, and it is used for the camera phones, digital camera and video cameras. Whereas the VCM are used for camera imaging, autofocusing and optical image stabilization. Now according to Minchico, he believes that these components are 70% more expensive than the iPhone 13 Pro models. He believes that Sony will supply the CMOS sensor, while the Mindbay and Lorgan will provide the VCM. LG will be the camera module supplier. In addition to the new ultra-wide camera module, the iPhone 14 Pro series is expected to be bringing a 48 megapixel of a primary camera that uses the 4-in-1 pixel binning technology. The resulting imaging should offer more color accurate shots and a better low light performance. The front camera on both iPhone 14 Pro models will receive a big update with autofocus and a bright f1.9 aperture. So guys, the only sensor that has been left for the iPhone 14 series will be the telephoto camera. I believe that if Apple is bringing all the camera upgrade, then definitely the telephoto camera will be having an upgrade, which we could see at the Apple event. Now guys, I'm super excited about this camera module upgrade. We are also expected to have an 8K video recording support for the upcoming iPhone 14 Pro and the Pro Max, which I think that Apple implementation will be better than the Android ones. Now the other upgrades that are coming for the iPhone 14 Pro models are going to be a design change on the front. We are going to see a punch hole plus pill shape cut out on the front side, which will be holding the Face ID and the front camera sensor. The display is going to be also upgraded on both the Pro models, and we are going to see a new display which include the LTPO2 panel inside, which will have 1Hz to 120Hz of refresh rate. And this new refresh rate of 1Hz will be bringing the always on display finally to iPhone Pro and the Pro Max. Now moving forward towards the internal, it is expected that we might actually see the 256GB as the base variant for this year iPhone 14 Pro models, whereas we are also going to see an upgrade in the RAM department as well. So definitely this is going to be a big upgrade. Despite having this big upgrade, we are also having a new A16 Bionic chipset in both the iPhone 14 Pro models, which will be bringing 20 to 25% more power than their predecessor. So definitely this is going to be a big upgrade when it comes to Pro models. Now having these upgrades coming in the upcoming iPhone 14 Pro and the Pro Max, definitely the price upgrade is here, and we could expect $100 to $150 price upgrade for both the iPhone 14 Pro and the Pro Max. And you guys, the September 7 is going to be the event date where we are finally going to see the iPhone 14 series to be launched. And you guys, I'm super excited about that particular event. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this new camera upgrade? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.